bank, again money is involved and you need math. I'm repeating myself. Pranav said that you will need math when you get to a hospital, because when they give you a bill, you must know how to calculate it. Okay. Ranveer, you gave an example just now that if we go to a shop and buy something, we need to take care that the shopkeeper is not fooling us, right? Because instead of 40, he might ask us 50 and we don't know what will be the charges. So then again, math is important. Now my question is to you, why is math important, and give me an aspect of it where money is not involved. यहाँ पे पैसा नहीं यूज होने वाला है, yet we will be doing math. Give me some examples of that. Okay, I'm going to Tanishka while you are going to think about that.
There is no.
Tanishka, where do you think math is used without money? I don't want to talk about money in math. और कहाँ पे math use होता है?
In maths, in Roman numerals, it is used in when we go outside our India. There we go outside or we go in India only. There will be a watch in Roman numeral.
There are watches with Roman numerals in India also. There are even wrist watches with Roman numerals on it. There are even clocks with Roman numerals on it.
Because of that, we want to learn math, do maths, because we want to know that how Roman numerals.
We want to understand about Roman numerals. Okay, fine. Okay, that's a good example. Give me more examples of math where money is not involved.
Multiplication by multiplication we do when we go to market, we take, or we go to mall, we take 10 Cadbury's of 10 rupees, then we want to multiply it, that how many, one price is 10, then we want to take more 5, there we use maths.
Okay, so I understand with multiplication, you gave me that answer that when repeated addition has to happen, multiplication काम आता है, where one Cadbury is 10 rupees and now I have to do 10 Cadburys. Instead of doing 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 10 times, I straight away do 10 times 10 and I get 100. Okay, so I've learned tables for that. Again, Tanishka, you gave me an example where money is involved. I want to know about math where money is not involved. यहाँ पे पैसे का कुछ लेन देन नहीं होने वाला है. Vihan, I'm going to open the mic to you and I want you to give me an example of where math is involved without money being used in it.
If we don't math involved without money, then we cannot buy anything.
No, Vihan, you still didn't understand what I'm asking. I am asking, give me an example where math is used, but money is not involved in that. हमको money का ही calculation के लिए हम maths नहीं सीखते हैं. We don't learn math just because we have to know money calculation. Subhan, I gave you your turn. Now you have to wait. Now it is Vihan's turn. Give me an example where math is used but money is not involved.
Maths is used in Roman.
That Tanishka already said that. Give me some other example.
No.
Something where math is used but money is not involved. Please children remember that we don't learn math सिर्फ पैसा का कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए नहीं, सिर्फ पैसा का कैलकुलेशन मैथ्स नहीं होता है. हाँ, मैथ्स बहुत यूज होता है जब पैसे का कैलकुलेशन करना रहता है, बट दैट्स नॉट द ओनली रीजन फॉर अस टू लर्न मैथ्स. There are so many hundreds and thousands of reasons for us to learn maths. So Vihan, give me one more example other than Roman numerals where math is used and money is not involved.
Where money is used, when maths is used and money is not used. Math is used and calculated a long time ago.
Calculate long time ago. Yes, very good. Calculating time. Calculation of time. Good job, Vihan. Good job. Very good. Calculation of time. Children, think about it. Thank you very much for that answer from you, Vihan. I am glad you thought that through. Time. Can we move anything without time? Ranveer, wait. Ranveer, wait. Subhan, wait. This is the second time I'm telling you all. Okay. Can we do anything without time? You wake up looking at time. घर का अलार्म बजता है टाइम देख के, कुकर का सीटी लगता है टाइम देख के, चावल पकाते हैं टाइम देख के, अंडा उबालते हैं टाइम देख के, हाँ स्कूल के लिए निकलते हैं, लॉग इन करते हैं 8:15 लॉग इन, आज कौन पहले लॉग इन किया टाइम देख के. इज मनी इन्वॉल्व हियर? इज मनी इन्वॉल्व? नो. मनी इज इन्वॉल्व हियर, रणवीर? No. We use math. Oops. Sorry. What, Subhan?
That is also used in examination halls and many offices.
Oh dear, my dear boy, your voice is all coming in some noise like that. I couldn't understand what you said.
Maths is also used in examination halls and many offices.
Yes, time is also used for examination halls. 3 घंटे का पेपर है, आधे घंटे का पेपर है, time up, 2 minutes left. Math calculation. 2 minutes left. Okay? 30 minutes का एग्जाम था, 2 minutes left. मतलब कितना टाइम के लिए तुम लोगों ने लिख लिया एग्जाम?
28.
Thank you, my hero. Super. 30 minutes is your exam. 2 minutes is left. Means you already written your exam for 28 minutes. See, simple subtraction. Right? Maths and application. Analytics and application. Okay? So time. All right. Now, no more discussion around time. Now, who can tell me where else? Where else is math involved other than time and money? Other than time and money, where else is math involved? Whoa, don't Subhan. You know what? Your voice is breaking up too much. So if you're going to scream, it's still not going to come through clearly. Yes, Subhan, tell me what you're saying.
Office. Many offices.
Office में math कैसे use होता है? Don't involve money and time in that. Office में math कैसे use होता है? हाँ?
मैम उधर हमको 10 to 15 मिनट्स का ये कॉल लेना पड़ेगा, और एक इंसान ने सिर्फ 5 मिनट्स का कॉल लिया, उसमें से भी क्या बोलते हैं वो जो नंबर ले रहा था उसमें से उसने फिर कितने टाइम तक उसने कॉल, कितने मिनट का छोड़ा कॉल.
You are again talking about time. Subhan, I couldn't entirely understand everything you said, but I guess you're still talking about time. I don't want time involved. Money khatam ho gaya, time ka discussion khatam ho gaya. I don't want money and time involved. What else? Yes, Pranav, tell me.
Maths is used or in daily career, ma'am. If we go by commerce, there is subject, ma'am. There is subject like account, ma'am. It is like maths only. I mean that subject, ma'am. We have to calculate the given amount. Ma'am, it is like bills.
Again, you are saying amount. The moment you say amount, it involves money. Example of math usage where money and time is not involved. Yes, Ranveer. Okay, everybody else quiet so I can listen to one person. Tanishka, I'll come to you. Wait. Yes, Ranveer.
Ma'am, there is no place where money is not used and time is not used. But there are some places where money is not used also. But there's no place where time is not used.
Give me example of usage of math without time and money. Continue
That's what.
giving me
There is
examples of usage of math without time and money. No, Ranveer, your answer is not solving this question of mine. You are saying कि कहीं भी
ma'am, there is
time और
no
money के
place
अलावा
in
कुछ
it.
होता ही नहीं है. नहीं, बहुत सारे जगहों में time and money के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ होता है. I'm going to go to Tanishka now. Yes, Tanishka, I'm opening your mic.
Calculation is used in play also when friends and brothers sisters play church. It's when we get point, we add that point. In that also we use maths.
Games. You use math in games. किसको कितना point मिला, कितना गोल मारा, कितना shots मारा, कितना sixer मारा, कितना four मारा. वहां पे तो ना money involved है,
Yes, ma'am.
वहां पे तो ना time involved है. It's basic calculation of the scoring, correct?
Yes,
Basic calculation of scoring. Good. So now we have money, we have time, we have games, right? Good. Now you all are thinking. This is the point of us having this particular class, analytics and application. दिमाग लगाओ समझने के लिए कि अगर आई एम लर्निंग दिस इन माय टेक्स्ट बुक, इसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है? व्हाई एम आई लर्निंग दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक? ये सवाल तुम लोगों को पूछना चाहिए टीचर से. टीचर, ये मुझे क्यों सीखना है? जब टीचर उसका जवाब देगी तब तुम्हें समझ में आएगा कि इसको मैं कैसे अप्लाई करूं. यस, प्रणव, योर टर्न. से
I
समथिंग.
want to say something that in some big companies there is some nut and screw, and that also it is written maths 80x 90x 1.2 or nut. There is also use maths.
Yes. Do you know what is the meaning of that? Nuts and screws पे लिखा रहता है. वो क्या है? वो उसका थिकनेस है. वो कितना थिकनेस है उसका, और वो कौन से होल में जा सकता है, कहाँ पे इस नट या इस स्क्रू को यूज कर सकते हैं, इसीलिए उस पे लिखा है. उसमें भी मैथ है. उसमें ना पैसा इन्वॉल्व है, ना गेम्स है, ना टाइम है, बट वो मेजरमेंट्स हैं. ओके. यस तनिष्का, अनदर वेरी गुड पॉइंट. यस प्रणव.
मैम इन बाइक और कार नंबर प्लेट.
Bike or car number plate calculations are used. Very good. Do you know how these calculations are used?
Ma'am, math is used for in a school.
No, you gave the example of number plate. Okay. I am asking you, do you know how these number plates are calculated? Vihan, you want to take a break, beta? Go wash your hands, get your snacks. Everybody go wash your hands and get your snacks, and we'll sit and talk and chit chat. Chalo. We have another 10 minutes extension. Yes, Ranveer?
I wanted to say in Google Maps, they see the road. In Google Maps.
Okay, how is math involved in that?
Sometimes. They will take 58 minutes to reach.
Give me Google Maps ka usage without time. Ranveer, your screen is frozen. I can't hear you. I'm going to go to Subhan. Yes, Subhan, tell me.
Why is Tanishka's name Tanu?
Subhan, please repeat yourself.
Google Maps road is written like this. Road number 9, road number 10. And
How is
in
math
school
involved in that? उसका maths के साथ क्या connection है?
math, I don't know, but it's numbers on road number 9, lane number 10, like this.
वो तो एड्रेस है, उसके साथ मैथ का क्या कनेक्शन है?
Also in school division there is Roman numerals like 6.
I said no more giving Roman numerals का example. We already know Roman numerals का example. तुम लोग मुझे बस example दिए जा रहे हो. Give me situations where math is used without involving time and money. Yes, Ranveer.
Ma'am,
Subhan, go get your
I
slide.
said, ma'am, I said Google Maps. No, they see in how many meters is there a turn.
Distance. I am waiting for the answer called distance. Google Maps gives you time. It also gives you the distance you have to travel. You may be taking 2 minutes to travel 1 kilometer. You could also take 10 minutes to travel 1 kilometer, right? Why will you take 10 minutes to travel 1 kilometer, Ranveer?
We are taking a longer route.
If you're taking a longer route, then you will take more than 1 kilometer, no? So,
Because you're driving slow.
good. Y'all are thinking now. Pranav, you tell me that if Google Maps, you have seen Google Maps, right? Pranav, तुमने Google Maps देखा है, right? हाँ. Google Maps shows you कि another 1 kilometer to go and it will take you 2 minutes. Okay? Suppose it says you have another 1 kilometer to go, but it is going to take you 5 minutes. ऐसा क्यों होगा? Distance तो same ही है, पर time क्यों ज़्यादा हो रहा है या कम हो रहा है?
Ma'am, because the driver is driving slow.
Good, but Google Map doesn't always discuss the time based on the driver driving slow or fast. Google Map क्या देख के calculation करता है? Speed of the vehicle का थोड़ा बहुत contribution रहेगा उस calculation में. लेकिन I'll come back to my question that to travel 1 kilometer at one particular situation, it says 2 minutes लगेगा. दूसरे situation में it says 5 minutes लगेगा. ऐसा क्यों?
Ma'am, because that will be a 3 or 4 kilometer.
Arey Baba, I'm saying it is 1 kilometer only that you have to travel. Then how will it be different? Simple. There could be a traffic in the front, no? There could be traffic ahead, no? Have you seen Google Maps show that red line when you're driving through a place? Huh? It shows that red line, and usually that distance will take 2 minutes. But today, because there is that red line, it is now going to take you 5 minutes. So, याद है तुमने देखा है प्रणव? Have you seen that red line? Google Map देखते हो तो एक रेड सा आता है, मतलब आगे में ट्रैफिक है. Correct? So, although the distance that you're going to travel is the same, it can take less or more time depending upon how the road is. अगर एक्सप्रेसवे जैसा रोड रहेगा तो हम 100 किलोमीटर भी 2 घंटे में कवर कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर रविवार पेट या लक्ष्मी पेट जैसा रोड रहेगा, ऐसा वेड़ी वाकड़ी वळने जैसा, हमको कितना टाइम लगेगा 100 किलोमीटर खत्म करने में, राइट? सो cool, good. Now you all are thinking. Nice. So in our next class, I'm going to continue on this conversation of why is math important and where all do we see its application in our daily life. Yes, Tanishka, say something.
And math is used on grains carry bag 50 kg.
Yes,
70 kg.
yes, it is mentioned over there. Yes, it is done because that is weight. वो weight बताता है. Yes, Ranveer, you want to say something?
Ma'am, I wanted to say that while I was going to Bombay one day, okay, it was very it had a lot of traffic, so we took like 4 hours to reach. In fact, it takes 3 hours to reach there. And one day there was not much traffic. We reached like in 2.5 hours.
Yes. So the distance might be the same, but depending upon what is along the road, your time taken can differ. So walking to a school will be slower than riding a bike to the school, or running to the school, or going in the school van, right? So do you see how much math is involved every day? Now you all have got some amount of food on your plate. ओके तुम सब ने एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ फूड लिया है अपने अपने प्लेट में या अपने बोल में. ओके क्या हमेशा तुम उतना ही लेते हो? नहीं, बिकॉज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द आइटम दैट यू हैव इन योर बोल, तुम उसको या तो इंक्रीज करोगे या उसका क्वांटिटी डिक्रीज करोगे, राइट? सी मैथ बीइंग इन्वॉल्व. सी योर आइटम इंक्रीज और यू आर गोइंग टू डिक्रीज. यस प्रणव.
Ma'am, and English is important everywhere, ma'am. If we gone to, ma'am, if we gone to, ma'am, anywhere, near bridge or that, ma'am, English is written everywhere.
Yes, English is a common language. बहुत countries में English use होता है. Eat, जल्दी खाओ, जल्दी खाओ. Okay, yes, Tanishka, are you still? Oh, wait, Tanishka, wait. Pranav still is saying something. Yes, Pranav.
For example, KK Motors.
Okay, so उसमें क्या है?
Ma'am, there is English.
English. Oh, okay. All right. Yes, Tanishka.
That I want to say that English is used when we go somewhere out of India. That people also in Japan, China, they people also say English only. Because of that, then what they say?
If you go to specific countries like Japan or China or France or Germany, they will typically talk their local language. What is the local language of India? India में हर जगह जाओगे तो क्या common language use करते हैं?
English.
तुम इंडिया में कहाँ भी जाओगे तो इंग्लिश में बात करते हो?
Marathi.
अच्छा, if you go to Punjab, you will talk in Marathi?
No, Punjabi.
So whenever you go somewhere across India, what is the common language that you will speak across India?
English.
Marathi.
Hindi.
Thank you.
Bengali.
Go across India, the common most language that you will talk across India is Hindi. तुम यूं ही किसी के पास जाके इंग्लिश में बात करते हो कि हिंदी में बात करते हो? Around India, you talk in Hindi. So when you're going to go around Germany, what language do you talk?
German.
No, Ranveer, it's not English. If you go around Japan, what language do you think they will talk?
Japanese.
So why do you think when you go out of India, everybody will talk English? That's not true.
But
Some countries talk English because their local language is English.
and English is used when we
Okay, let's
go
get
in
back.
hotel.
Let's focus on the topic. Let's focus on the topic. Okay, the topic is application of math. Now I'm going to continue this topic in our next lecture. So right now, let's take a break. All of you finish your snacks. You have another 5 minutes. Finish your snacks and come back for the next class.
Yes, ma'am.